my dear students, class 5. Hope you are preparing for the ensuing Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya entrance test for 2025. And we are going to present here a mathematics series 4. We have received several requests from parents and teachers to present some questions, some sample questions. So we have developed these questions based on our research and based on our experience that I obtained uh, being associated with this process for 8 to 10 years. Okay? And all these questions are exclusively based on class 5 syllabus. Okay. Now let's discuss. So we have taken 6 sample questions. Six sample questions for your mathematical understanding to promote your mathematical skill. First is the product of two numbers is 49. The product of two numbers is 49. Find the difference of the LCM and SCM. The keyword is product. Okay, don't be confused. Product means the multiplication of two numbers, and the result is called product. Okay. So how to find out the two numbers? Because the product is given. So now you see 49. Let's find out the prime factors. You know, one is a common factor of every number. So the least prime number is 2. So let's attempt actually first 2. 2 doesn't divide. 3 doesn't divide. 4 doesn't divide. 5 doesn't divide. 6 doesn't divide. You see 7 and 7. So we got the factors, 2 factors, 7 and 7. So 49 is equal to product of two numbers means 7 into 7. Okay. Now we got two numbers 7 and 7. You know 7 is a prime number. Okay. And the two factors we got, 7 is a prime number. Now you see 7. What is a prime number? That we have discussed. It has two factors. Now 1 is a common factor and the number itself. Now see 1 and 7. Similarly 7, 1 into 7. So what the highest common factor? So this is the highest common factor, 7. So SCM is 7. And the least common factor LCM that we have taken here, 7 into 1 into 1. Okay, that is 7. Okay. So 7 into 1, that is lowest common multiple, LCM. Okay. So here LCM is equal to SCM. So LCM minus SCM as for our question. So 7 minus 7 answer is 0. This is very simple. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Complete the series as per the rules followed. Okay. So first you see three pairs. Okay. 3 pairs are given. The first pair is 3, 4. You see 3, 4 are two consecutive numbers. 5, 6 are two consecutive numbers. And the consecutive numbers difference is 1. 7, 8, two consecutive numbers. So let's find out the next pair of two consecutive numbers. So what is the answer? So look at the logic. So 3 is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. Prime composite pair. And you see here 5 is a prime, 6 composite pair. 7 and 8, that is prime and composite pair. Then you find out what will be the next prime number. 9 is not a prime number. 10 not a prime number. The next one will be 11 and 12. That we have mentioned here. Okay. So you have to see the logic. So you have to find out the logic behind the series. Okay. So it is very simple. Then come to question number 3. The place value of a digit at the 10th place. Okay. At the 10th place means this is after decimal. Is how many times the same digit at 10th place. So what is tens place and what is 10 place? Okay. So let's take an example so that it will be easy for you. So we have taken an example here, 12.1. So you see this is 2 is at 1 place and 1 is at 10th place. But after decimal 1 is at 10th place. Okay. Now you see the logic. A digit, the same digit at the 10th place. So at the 10th place is 1 and the 10th place is also 1. So both 1 is at 10th place and 1 is at 10th place. So you see same digits at 10th place and 10th place. Okay. Now find out the place value. So the place value of 2 is 2, 2 into 1. And the place value of 1, because 1 is 10 place. So place value of 1 here 10. Okay, now 10. Then place value of 1 just after the decimal point, that is 1 by 10, that is 1/10. 10th means 1/10. Okay. So we got 1/10. So how many times? Let's divide. So 1/10 divided by 10. So the result will be 1 by 100 times. 1 by 100 times for the place value of 1 at 10 place. You take any digit, same, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 or 5, here and here, both same, and calculate. You will find the same result. Okay, you please do, and you please do at home. You please develop your skill, mathematical skill, and taking this actually 10 place 5, 6, 8, 9, 7, any digit right from 1 to 9. Okay, and whatever digit you take here, you also take here. Then the result will be this. Okay. Then come to the question number 4. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. Find the longest side and the type of triangle according to its angular measures. Okay. So the sum of three angles of a triangle, that you know, 180 degree. Okay. And the three angles are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now clear? So the first angle, let the first angle is 1 time, the second angle is 2 times, the third angle is 3 times. So the total how many times? 6 times. So the 6 times is equal to 180 degree. So 1 time is equal to 30 degree. So the first angle is 30 degree, the second angle 2 times 30 into 2, 60 degree, and the third angle 30 into 3, 90 degree. So we got here 90 degree. Now naturally you can say it is a right angle triangle. So now you see A, B, C, the right angle triangle, and this angle is 90 degree and this is 30 and this is 60. Okay. And you see AC is opposite to the largest measure of the angle. Okay. So AC is the longest side because the measure is greater than 60. 90 is greater than 60 and greater than 30. So the measure of greater angle, the opposite side is the longest side. Please remember it. Okay. Now come to question number 5. 3 power 3 or 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 and 3 power 5 or 3 to the power 5 are two numbers. Okay. Means 3 multiplied 3 times, 3 multiplied 5 times are two numbers. Find their LCM and SCM. So this type of question you will be getting in your class 10 exam. Okay. Now you see. So let us find out the factors. So 3 power 3 means 3 multiplied 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3. And 3 power 5 or 3 to the power 5. 3 multiplied 5 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now you see. So this is common and this is common and this is common. Okay. So highest common factor is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So we can see, we can say 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is SCF. Okay. You can multiply 3 into 3, 9, which is 27. Okay. Now you see the lowest common multiple, LCM. Now 3 into 3 into 3, that we have taken here. Okay. And the rest, 3 into 3. So 3 power 3 into 3 power 2. So 3 power 5 is the LCM. Now we look at when the base number is same and the lowest power is the SCM and the highest power is the LCM. This is very simple, please remember. So come to our last question. This is a very simple question. The cost of two pens and three pencils is 30 rupees. Now look at two pens and three pencils. Similarly, the cost of three pens, just vice versa. Three pens and two pencils are 20 rupees. And the cost of a pen is 2 rupees more. 2 rupees more than a pencil. Okay? Then find the cost of a pen and a pencil. It is very simple. So cost of two pens for three pencils is equal to 30. As per the question, write it. And cost of three pens and two pencils is 20. Let us add it. Now see, 5 pens plus 5 pencil is equal to 50 rupees. Is it common? So 1 pen plus 1 pencil, taking common 5, it will be 50 by 5, 10 rupees. Means the cost of 1 pen and the cost of 1 pencil is equal to 10 rupees. Now compare. The cost of pen is greater, is more by 2. So 1 pen plus 1 pencil is equal to 10. And the difference is because the cost of pen is more than the pencil. So 1 pen minus 1 pencil is equal to 2. So then you add it. So 1 pencil plus and 1 pencil minus, you cancel it, then it will be 2 pens. So 2 pens cost will be 12 rupees. So 1 pen, 6 rupees. Now you see 1 pen plus 1 pencil, 10 rupees. So 1 pen is 6 rupees. Then 1 pencil will be 10 minus 6, 4 rupees. This calculation is very simple and very easy. So these are some of the sample questions, some of the tricky questions that are expected to be set in your entrance examinations. Please record it, please note it and practice at home, and you can develop your own questions out of these questions. In our next video, we shall present another 5 questions, another 5 selected questions, possible questions or probable questions. Please stay tuned to watch our videos, and if you like, you may subscribe our channel, and our channel is mind mapping. Our handle at the rate NNMP 2024. Don't forget to subscribe. You subscribe and watch our series of videos. Thank you all for watching. Thank you again.